Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled with color perception or just want the best blue light protection for long hours on screens, then stick around. Today, I'm reviewing Lumiglass, the #1 color enhancement glasses that are changing the game for colorblind individuals and anyone looking for better eye protection. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another review. All right, let's talk features. Lumiglass is not just another pair of blue light glasses. Here's what makes it special. Color enhancement technology. If you're colorblind, these lenses help you distinguish colors more vividly, giving you a richer view of the world. 99% blue light blocking. Whether you're gaming, working late, or binge watching your favorite shows, these glasses reduce eye strain and headaches. Ultra lightweight and comfortable. I wore these for hours without any pinching or discomfort. Plus, the adjustable nose pads and flexible temples make them fit just about any face shape. UV400 Protection, full spectrum UV defense means your eyes are protected both indoors and outdoors. Scratch and glare resistant. No annoying reflections, and they hold up well even if you're a little rough with them. So, after testing Lumiglass for a few days, here's my honest take. If you're colorblind, this is a game changer. The difference is instantly noticeable within 15 minutes of wearing them. I tried them on with a friend who has red-green color blindness, and he was seriously blown away by the colors he had never seen so clearly before. For screen users like me, the blue light blocking really helps. I usually get eye fatigue after a long editing session, but with these, I felt way less strain even after hours of work. And gamers, let me tell you, playing with these on makes everything pop. The colors are sharper and no more dry, tired eyes from marathon gaming. So, is Lumiglass worth it? If you struggle with color perception, stare at screens all day, or just want top-tier eye protection, I highly recommend them. The best part? They come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try them risk-free. Want to grab a pair? I've got a special link in the description. Click it to check the latest discounts before they sell out. And of course, if you found this review helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome tech reviews, and let me know in the comments. What color do you want to see better? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.